Hello everyone, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some tips on how to take beautiful footage using your drone. And in this video I'm going to use my DJI Mini 3 Pro and also DJI R2S, which is on the table. As everyone knows, this drone, DJI 3 Pro, is very light and it's very good for traveling around, and of course if you're filming around, it's a very useful drone. And let's back to the subject. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe below and give me a like to this video so I'll know for the future to make more videos about drones and tech. So, to achieve best video results, it's important to make sure you have the right settings within your drone. So to do that, you have to check all your settings in your RC controller, and if you check that set correctly, you'll be able to get good footage. So it's very important to get them one done before you're flying, otherwise you're gonna waste time or you're gonna waste SD memory card or money if you travel somewhere abroad and you spend a lot of money for that holidays. So first thing is to check if you have the right settings within your RC controller. So as you can see in this video, I'm using 4K and 60 frames per second for those that doesn't know. The reason is, so if I want to make a slow motion vibe, I can extend those frames per second to more shorter ones. The second thing is to make sure you're using different maneuvers when you're flying with RC controller. That means don't only fly forward, but try to move the sticks around so you got that cinematic footage in your video. So as you can see in this video, I was flying my DJI R2S. So I was flying on one side, but I also tried to keep the subject in the middle of my screen. So in this way, I have achieved that kind of cinematic footage. You can try that as well, and let me know in comments if you've tried it and it worked good, or if you have other techniques you want to share with me, and well, I will try them. Just a quick one. So in this video, I'm using all the music and sound effects from Epidemic Sound website. It's very reliable. You can find a lot of music, a lot of sound effect there, and it doesn't cost a lot. And the good thing is you can use it for your YouTube, which it doesn't affect your copyright when sharing on YouTube. So click it on the link below and you're going to find the link to the site. Another thing which is very important when you're recording that footage is to have ND filters with you all the time in your bag. Personally, I'm always using them because during the sunny day, it's very sunny outside and my footage will gonna look like a bit washed and unprofessional. And to fix that, I'm using ND filters. And most of the time I'm using ND filter 64, which I found very useful for me. Another thing is, if you're recording without ND filter, it will be very hard for you to edit that during the post-processing in your software. So it's very important to have one in your bag. I know you can buy from other third-party ND filters suppliers, but I've decided to go with ND filters from DJI store. And to be honest, they just more than enough for me. But if you're using different ones, let me know in the comments and I'm gonna have a look at them and see what I'm thinking about them. The last thing, which I think is very important for you, is to have a reliable and good SD memory card for your drone. So check that from SanDisk company. I'm using them for years and I never had any issues with them. What the most important is, because you'll be able to, well, if you're shooting in 4K, those SD cards are designed for 4K quality videos. So it's very important to have one in your bag or a spare one. And if you decide to go for a third party like other companies, you might have a bit issue with them. But personally, I think I'll recommend SanDisk for now. If you made it by the end of this video, I would like to thank for you to watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, just put them below this video and I will get back to you when I have time. Thanks again for watching and please do subscribe. My name is Vas.